o'clock now. We're going to start the webinar on our Minecraft Education Edition class. So again, for those who have not downloaded the Minecraft Education Edition, the link is right below in the Zoom chat. If you have, awesome. We're going to get started right now. So I'm sharing my screen right now. If you log into Minecraft Education Edition, the first time you have logged in, or those who have no experience playing Minecraft, do not worry, we'll cover you. You'll get to learn everything from scratch. So we are over here in the main page of the Minecraft Education Edition. You can customize your character by clicking onto this cloth hanger at the bottom right-hand corner over here. So simply click on it. You can choose any character you like to be. Example, if I would like to be let me see, I would like to be a police officer today. So once I confirm my character that I've chosen, go to the bottom right-hand corner again, click on confirm. This will allow you to be featured over here as the character you like. Okay, I'll give you another 10 seconds to choose what character you like to be by simply click on the bottom right-hand corner, the cloth hanger, to choose the character you like to. Okay, so those who have trouble logging in, please put it inside the chat and then we will assist you along the way. We have a few panelists over here. They will definitely assist you with any questions. If you have any question, do raise your hand or simply put it inside the chat. Okay, without further ado, those who have already logged in, let's continue. All right, so I want you to go to play by clicking on the play button. And you come to this main menu over here. We have different choices. I'm not going to go through each and every one of them. I want you to follow my instruction. To start off with a new world, click on create new. Under create new, there are two choices. I want you to hit on templates and click on blocks of grass and hit play. Okay, don't worry, I'll go through it one more time, this time a little bit slower. Okay, at the bottom left-hand corner, click on create new. Over here, you see this one highlighted. One more time, create new. Next, you have two choices. I want you to hit on templates. Again, hit on templates. And again, the templates, we have two types of templates. We're not going to choose the Minecraft tutorial. We're going to choose on blocks of grass. Again, the one over on the top left-hand corner, blocks of grass. Click on play to begin. Okay, so let me talk a bit about Minecraft Education Edition. I believe you played the normal Java edition or you have played the Bedrock edition. Well, the Minecraft Education Edition slightly different. We have features such as some items that you cannot find, like balloons, some items like camera. We have some coding feature that I will be showing shortly. Okay, so for those beginners, don't worry. I'm going to cover some instruction on what to do when you're in the blocks of grass you have in the account. If you have any question, do put it inside the Zoom chat. My lovely panelists will assist. Okay, so for those advanced players who have played Minecraft on the laptop, you can go ahead to create a house. For those who have no experience, it's okay. I'm going to go through the controls with you. So over on my left, you see the controls. If you want this to be in your Windows as well, don't worry, just simply press on H to show control. If you do not want it to be on the side, simply press on H again, and the controls disappear. But I would like to have mine in my screen so I can see what it does. So to make your character move, you simply have to hit on W to move forward, S to move backwards, A to move to the left, and D to move to the right. So this slight movement, W, A, S, and D, will allow the character to move around the map. If you want to look to the left, look to the right, simply use your mouse and look around. So over your mouse, you can hover your mouse to pan the camera around to see where you are. All right, so I spot with my eyes, see with my little eyes, a little pig over there. So I'm gonna walk forward by pressing W, forward to pet the little pig. So I can left click, oh no, I hit the little pig. All right, so we can left click to hit the little pig. Chase after it by pressing W to move forward. And for those who like to jump around, you can speed place or simply tap on spacebar to jump around. So again, tap on spacebar to jump. And for those who like to fly, simply double tap space. You're going to do it very quickly. Double tap space for you to fly up, or hold shift to fly down. While you're flying, you can also use the movement that I've mentioned, WASD, to fly around. So let's find some animals and let's hit them. So we can hold shift to fly down and left click on the pig. It's scared of me because I hit it and it's running away. Okay, so that covers the movement on what to do. You can fly by holding space, hold shift to fly down, WASD to move around. Very good. For those who have any questions, please put it in the Zoom chat. My lovely panelists will assist you. Okay, the next thing you're going to do for those advanced players, you are to build a small, simple house. And how do we extract those materials to build a house? Since you are in the blocks of grass, you're in creative mode, simply click on E on your keyboard. Pressing E on your keyboard will allow you to bring up the inventory. You can choose a list of materials. You do not need to craft the materials because you're in creative mode. You can pick a list of materials you like. I would like to recommend you to go to the top left-hand corner. You will see this brick wall over at the top left-hand corner. Oh, let me explain again. If you want to go to this feature over here, simply press E on your keyboard, pops up right in front. And I want you to click on this brick wall over here in inventory. This will allow you to access the construction materials. Again, if you press E on your keyboard, it pops up, and then you can click on this brick wall in the top left-hand corner to select what's your brick or what kind of choices of materials you like to build your house. For me, I would like to choose the brick block. I will place the brick block by simply left-click on the mouse and then left-click and I put it inside my inventory hotbar. So again, how do we feature inventory hotbar? On your keyboard, you will see the number 1 to 0 on top of a keyboard. You can access the hotbar, simply click on 1 for the first one over here, 2 for the second one over here. So I'm going to choose a list of materials to build my house. Some example we can choose of is a brick block. Simply left click, place it in our inventory. Next, go to glass. You can pick any color glass. You know, a house requires windows. So we use this glass to represent our windows. And lastly, to build a house, you need the capability or function to open up the door. So we can click on doors over here. So a wide range of door you can select. I would recommend you choose a oak door. Do not choose the iron door because the only way to open an iron door is through a simple mechanism, which I'm not going to go through. So do not choose the iron door. You can choose any other doors you like. Okay, once you're ready, after you've chosen the items or the door, the windows, you put it inside the inventory in the item hotbar, you can press escape or simply press X over here to go back to our blocks of grass. Okay, so once you have chosen, we can access the list of material by pressing the number 1, 2, 3. So for example, if I want to choose the door, I can press 3 to select it. If I want the window, I press 2 on the keyboard. And I'll start off with something simple, which is the frame of the house using the brick block. How do you place a block now, you ask? Right-click on the floor to place a block. One more time, right-click on the floor to place a block. Remember, you got to pick the item you like to place. Example, if I want to place a grass, you can put that. Or you want to choose a brick block by simply right-click. If I've accidentally placed a block on the floor, I can just simply left-click to destroy the block. So again, try to remember, right-click to place the block, left-click to destroy the block. Simple. Or you may accidentally destroy the floor instead. No worries, simply place a block down that covers it. So the task for advanced and beginner students, simply build me a house. So the house is very simple, just a very simple house will do. We're going to build the feature frame. If those who have no experience, don't worry. You can follow me, Teacher Kenneth, on how to build a simple house. So I want you to build a frame like this. This will be our outer layer of our house frame. Okay, so I have built a simple frame for the house. Next, let's extend a little bit. So if you stand beside it, how can a house be so small? So we're gonna make it a little bit taller. Let's see, maybe 4 blocks high. That would be a good level for a house. Now, you must be thinking, why am I placing holes in between? The reason is because I want to place a window on the side of the house. But it's going to be so dark, right? So having some windows will allow some sunlight to enter the house. It will not be so dark. Okay. Now, simple construction. The side of the wall will look something like that. Of course, if you want to build your own design, you can do so as well. This provides a feature for those beginner students who have no idea what to build. So let me guide them one more time on how to build again. Simply right-click on the mouse to place a block, left-click to destroy the block. Okay, now the simpler frame of the house is almost complete. The reason why I leave this area over here, for those who knows what am I thinking, it's because I want to place 2 doors in front of my house. Okay, for those newcomer that just enter, I'm going to share with you the link to download the Minecraft Education Edition. And those who have already installed their Minecraft, join us to build a house. You're done with the house. Perfect. Okay. You can beautify it a little bit more by adding some furnitures, right? So a house is just a simple frame, but if you put in furniture, that is what makes a house beautiful. Okay, so for those who have already done, you should know where to get furniture. Simply go to this construction board over here. You can even search for it if you want to search for an item, a particular item. You can click on this magnifying glass by pressing E on your keyboard. Poof, come the materials list. And you can search for example, I would like to put a bed in my house. Simply search for bed under the magnifying glass in the middle over here, and select the color of beds you like. For the roof of the house, I'm going to put a glass roof. The reason is because I want to see the stars at night. Going to be beautiful, right? Okay. Oh, wow. We have a guest in my house. Okay. Bye-bye, Shane. Okay, let's put a door to prevent intruder coming into our house. So how do we place a door for those with us? Simply click on the number they have selected for your door. So for example, it's in my third slot. I press 3 on my keyboard. Or if the door is in my second slot, I put 2 on my keyboard. Okay, so let's click on 3 to select our open door. Right click to place the door on. Oh, there's some gap over here. I'm gonna place that in. So again, how do you place the door? You can't just simply press it like this. You got to place where the door is at. Example, right click on the spot we like to place the door at. Similarly, if you want to destroy the door, left click to destroy the door, or right click to open the door. So right click to close the door, right click to open the door. Well, that's perfect. So again, for those who would like to add some finishing touch like bits to their house, I would recommend you to press E and use the magnifying glass over here in the top middle. Search for bed by spelling it out, B-E-D, bed, and you can choose which color beds you like. I'm a big fan of blue, so I'm going to select blue. And again, you can place the bed in the house. Remember, do not put it too close to the wall because you are unable. Okay, look, I can't, even if I wanted to place a bed over here. So a bed requires 2 spacing, or example, 2 blocks. So you got to put it right over here. Yes, so I have a queen bed. I like to sleep in a big bed. Okay, let's close the door to prevent any intruder entering our house, right? Okay, that comes to our house. Very nice. Okay, I think I have a question that says that you're unable to play Minecraft. Well, do note that we are using the Minecraft Education Edition. Okay, very nice. I'll give you all another 1 minute to build your house. Don't worry, if you can't finish it, it's fine. We can continue that later after class. We're going to learn about Minecraft unique feature for the Education Edition, which is the Minecraft coding feature. Okay, so questions if you want to build a roof. I saw a question that's asking how to build a roof. Let me show you what do I do. So you select the materials you like to build the roof. So instead of placing it directly above, you see, if you do it like this, it's going to place it on the floor. What you're going to do is look over to the sides over here. Click on it to place the roof. Over on the side, place the block to the sides in order to build the roof. I hope that answers your questions to build the roof. Okay, don't worry if you can't finish the house or you want to continue improve on the house. Do note you have plenty of time to do that after class. Today we are here to learn about the Minecraft Education Edition unique feature, which is the coding function. What do we do? How do we go there? Simply press C on your keyboard. Again, press C on your keyboard. This will go to the code builder. And when you go in there, you'll take a look over here. You come to these choices, 1, 2, 3. I want you to click on the Minecraft Make Code, the first one over at the top. Yes, again, if you want to go to the code builder feature, press C on your keyboard. Press C on your keyboard, you go to this code builder feature. Okay, I want you to select the Microsoft Make Code, the pink color block over here. Click on it, and you'll come to the main code builder feature. Yes, later I'll talk about the agent, don't worry. Okay, so the code builder feature allows you to create your projects over here. What do you do? Click on this green new project. Click on it, and you can name it a project name. So the first project we're going to do is called Yellow Brick Road. What do we do? Simply type in road as the project name. Just type in road as the project name. Yes. Okay, once you're done, click on create. If you're not, click on new project over on the left over here and type in road. Once you're done, click on create. Please turn up your volume in order to hear me. I think everyone can hear me well. Okay, right now in the code builder features right here, there's different tabs that you can see over here. We're going to start off with the player tab. The one in blue, the player tab. You can ignore this two over here for now. I want you to click on player. Yes, the blue tab over here that says player, click on it. I want you to select on player walk. You may see this as the fifth item in the list, on player walk. It's highlighted yellow right now. Simply left click, drag it to the main code area, like what I am doing right here. One more time, go to the blue tab over here, click on it. Select the fifth item, on player walk. Place it in the code builder. So simply left click, drag it to our code builder. If you don't like it, you accidentally remove it, simply throw it in the trash just like that. Again, if you want to use it, put it in the main code builder over here. What this does is, when the player is walking, it will execute the code whenever the player is walking. What do you want to do? We're going to put in under blocks. Yes, this green color tab over here that says blocks. I want you to click on it and select place green grass block 000. Place it in the on player walk like this. One more time, go to block, select the first block above, place it in the on player walk. So whenever I walk, I will put up a grass block. But I do not want to put a glass block. I want to select another item. I want you to select carpet. Okay, one more time. Gotta click on the grass block over here. The drop-down list, if you click on it, you have a feature. You can have a pop-up, search for what item you want to build when you're walking. I want to select carpet. I want you to select red carpet because whenever you walk, you're going to have a red carpet spawn wherever you walk. Okay, let's give it a try, shall we? By clicking play. So once you're done with selecting your carpet, I want you to select play and let's walk around. So when walking, you'll see, wow, I have red carpet spawning wherever I walk. Down. Don't you feel this is something special? Like only VIPs will walk on red carpet? Now your Minecraft character is a VIP. To go to your house, you have to walk past this red carpet. Isn't that cool? Okay, for those who don't like red carpet, no worries. We can always go to our code builder again by pressing C. Okay, simply press C and you can select what item you like to put. I saw the chat there, they want to summon diamond block. Sure, of course you can select diamond block. But I want to feel special. Let's choose gold block. Wow, gold. Okay, when you select the gold block and you start walking, you may feel that your character is like moving in a very hazy way. It's because whenever you walk, you are actually placing the block right on yourself, right? So in order to prevent that, let's take a look back at our code. Yes, I want everyone to press C on your keyboard, go back to our code builder. You may notice there is a number 000 right beside the golden block. What does that represent? Anyone? What does this 000 represent? Thank you very much. That's right, it's coordinates. XYZ coordinates. Thank you very much, students. Okay, for those who do not understand what are coordinates, I'm going to show you what I meant. The coordinates is basically, you want to summon the block at an area within the map. Example, if I want to place a block on my right, one block to my right, I put 1 over at the X coordinate over here. Yes, this is the X coordinate, followed by the Y coordinate, and lastly by the Z coordinate. Let's talk about X coordinate first. The X coordinate, if you want to summon something to your right and left, you use the X coordinate. Over here, if I want to summon one block to my right, I put 1. And if I want to summon a block to my right, 5 blocks to my right, I put 5. Now, can anyone tell me if I want to place a block to my left, what number do I put? That's right, that's right. Very good. Yes, it's a negative number. So if I want to summon a block, 1 block to my left, I simply place negative in front of it to represent a left value. And if I want to summon a golden block, 5 blocks to my left, simply put -5. Very good. Next, we will talk about the Y coordinate, which is the one in the middle. If you see it over here, Yes, the y coordinates is the height and where you want to summon the block. So example, if I want to summon a block above me when I'm walking, I simply put 1. Or if I want to summon a block 10 blocks above me when I'm walking, I put 10. Now, to prevent just now the hazy walking while we summon the golden block, we're going to put in a negative value because we want it to summon below us. Let's put in -1 and see how it goes first, all right? Okay, I want everyone to try out this. Put in a -1 value in the middle. Okay, very good. I want you to hit play. Now, when you're walking right now, you won't feel so hazy, you feel smooth while you're walking. It's because the block is being summoned below you. Because we put in a negative value, -1, this allows us to place the block when we are walking below us, just 1 block below. If you put -2, -3, you will not see the difference. I want you to put in -1 because we want it to be 1 block below the character. Now let's continue. Wherever you go, you have a golden road. Isn't that feeling cool? Cool, I would say. Okay, let's see if we have any questions. Yes, thank you very much. -1 to summon a block under you. Now, this is a very cool project, right? We can use this feature to create some mayhem, but we're not going to do that. If you know what I'm talking about, you can actually change the code to suit your need. Example, if you do not want golden road, we can change that to TNT, right? All right, let's not create mayhem for today because we're going to learn something else, even more interesting. Okay, so right now, the next task for everyone is to show me how you spawn a chicken. Yes, I think everyone will say, hey, let's go to our inventory over here, look for chicken, look for the egg. We can put it in our inventory and then we can simply spawn chicken like this. That is the original way of spawning chicken. But right now, we're going to improve ourselves by using codes. Yes, we can use code to summon chicken. No, not /summon chicken. That is just a command. We're going to use code to do that. How do we do that? Yes, we can use command for Minecraft Education Edition, but no, we're not going to use summon chicken command. We're going to feature the chicken to spawn in a very specific coordinates. How do we do that? We're going to use codes for that. So let's start off with our code builder again. You can hit on the home button at the top left-hand corner over here. Okay, one more time. Over at the top left-hand corner, simply click on home. This will allow you to go back to our code builder main page. I want you to start a new project. We call this project chicken. One more time for those who are still at our root project. Click on home at the top left-hand corner of our screen. Click on home on our top left-hand corner of our screen. This will allow you to go back to our code builder. Very good. Start a new project called chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. C-H-I-C-K-E-N to spell the word chicken. And click on create. Okay, everyone is on our code builder right now. Over here, I want you to take a look over this blue block that says on chat command run. On chat command run. This code over here says, if you type in run in our chat, it will execute the code. It will run the code if you type in the word run, R-U-N. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So what do we do inside the on-chat command run? We want to go to mobs over here, the purple tab. Click on it, the purple tab that says MOBS, mobs. I want you to select spawn animal at 0, 0, 0. Place it in the on-chat command. Yes, one more time. I'm going to show you under mobs, MOBS, the purple tab. Select spawn animal 0, 0, 0 in the on-chat command. Just like our grass block, the 0, 0, 0 represent, again, what is it? Coordinates. Right. So just now, when I was speaking, we talk about the first one over here is the X coordinate, right? The X coordinate represent the left and right. If you want to summon a chicken, 5 blocks to my right, I put 5, right? Remember this code that we talk about it? Yeah. And for the middle one is the Y coordinate, represent the height. If you want to summon a chicken 10 blocks above me, I put 10. And if I want to summon a chicken 10 blocks below me, I put -10. Lastly is the Z coordinate. For those that do not know the Z coordinate, it's basically the front and the back. Example, if I want to summon a chicken, 6 blocks in front of me, I put 6 at the Z coordinate at the back. And again, if I want to summon a chicken 5 blocks behind me, what number do I put? Okay, I put -5 for summoning a chicken 5 blocks behind me. But for this feature, we're going to test out something interesting. We want the chicken to summon in the air and slowly glide down. So what number do we put over here? We put 10. Okay, let's put this back to 0. So we only want to change the coordinates for the Y. Yes, just now we have put in -1 to summon a block below us. Right now, we want to summon a chicken 10 blocks above us. So put in 10 in the middle right here. Click on play. Now you see 10 blocks, nothing happened. It's because you got to put in the run inside the chat. How do you go to the chat? Simply press T or press enter to go out of chat and commands. Next, we place in the word run, R-U-N, run, and press enter. This will summon a chicken 10 blocks above me. Oh, it's a baby chick. Isn't that cute? Bye-bye, chickie. So again, my code here says that I will spawn a chicken at 10 blocks above me. One more time, put in the enter, or you can press T to open up the chat. And we type run. This will allow us to spawn a chicken. Now we have a question in our chat that says, how do we summon multiple chicken? What do we do? Let's go back to our code. Do we do this? Go to mobs, select spawn animal, select spawn animal. This will spawn us how many chicken? Since we have 3 blocks over there, this will summon 3 chicken. Because it's a little bit troublesome if I say I want to summon 100 chicken. Do I put in 100 block? No. That's why we come up with something called loops. Yes, take a look over at the left. you will see something called loops. I want you to click on it. Over loops over here, I want you to take note of two kinds of loops. The two kinds of loop is called the forever loop and also the repeat loop. There's two types of loop in the programming world, which is the repeat loop and the forever loop. The repeat loop, different from the forever loop, you can select how many times you want to repeat. Example, if you want to repeat, perhaps let's place it inside first. Yes, place the repeat loop within the onCheck command. And you can select how many times you want to repeat spawning the chicken. Example, you want to put in 200. This will repeat whatever is inside the spawn animal. So I want to repeat 200 times. This will allow me to spawn 200 chickens. Let's give it a try, shall we? Let's press play. How do we summon a chicken again? Simply type enter, run. So a little bit above me, wow, we are raining chicken. So the term raining cats and dogs, we have raining chickens. Wow, it's running everywhere. I'm surrounded by chickens. Let's have a chicken feast. Oh, anyone would like to eat KFC? Oh, it's literally raining now inside Minecraft. Okay, so for those who do not like rain, I got a command for you. We can use the feature called /weather clear. Inside the check command, type in /weather clear. This will clear off the rain. This is a command, not a code. Okay, now we have lots of chicken, cute little chicken. Of course, we can change the code a little bit to suit your need. That's what I like about coding. Coding, you can change the variety. You can change to have it spawn different type of animal, or you may change the number of animals you want to spawn. Example, if you do not want to use repeat 200, you only want to repeat it 5 times. I only want 5 chicken. I can change the code to repeat 5. Or if you like to change different species of animal, you do not like chicken, it's fine. We can click the drop-down list inside the onCheck command to select the different animals we have. If you like to have cats instead. If you like to have cats instead, simply select the cats under the drop-down list of the animal. Or you would like to summon pandas. Oh, I love pandas. Do you see pandas in zoo? Well, I would like to see them in Minecraft. What do? We press play. And let's run the chat by pressing enter or T to go to the chat command. Type in run. Oh, no. I guess the panda dropped from 10 blocks. Kind of hurts, don't you think? But we have a bunch of cute little pandas out. Oh, what? Aren't you staring at me? What do? Shall we give him some food? He's still staring at me for some reason. Yeah, let's give panda some food. The pandas like to eat bamboo. Is their food. So what do? Let's feed it. Isn't that cute, everyone? Oh no, oh no, everyone is looking at me. All the pandas are looking at me. Okay, let's right click to give some bamboo to the pandas. Okay, I'll give it to everyone. No, don't look at me now. Do not look at me. I can't help it. All right. So we can change the code a little bit to fit your need. Example, we have a question that if you want to spawn different animal in different location, you can put in more blocks over here. So example, if you want to spawn pandas and chicken, you have to put in different blocks. Like what I'm doing right now, I can place the chicken. So I'll place the animal block inside this repeat loop. And I want to spawn the chicken 5 blocks in front of me. And let's select this. This one, I want to summon rabbits. I want to summon rabbit at, maybe on my left. Yes. So in order to summon different animals, you got to put in different blocks because one block can only summon one type of animals. And if multiple block, you can summon multiple animals. Multiple types of animals, sorry. Okay, let's give it a try, shall we? Now let's run our code one more time. Again, the pandas form blocks of 10. Okay, I can't really tell where they spawn because there's too much animals here. So anyone know any commands we can use to remove all the animals? Do share with me in the chat. Yes, we can use something called /q at e. Okay, let's not think of it as so bad. We're not killing them. We are just simply removing them. Okay, to make your map a little bit cleaner, you can use /q at e to kill all entities. Oh no, just removing them. Do not worry, do not cry. They are just removing them. We're not killing them actually. All right. Okay, now let's put in more animals. I only want specific number of animals. Just now we have too many animals. Okay, just this will do. Now, in order for the animals to stay within the compound and not run away, we need to build some fence for them. But by the time we build the fence, let's take a look. We can use the fence. You see, if I want to place the fence, by the time I finish building it, it will run away. It's too slow. What can we do? No, we're not going to kill them anymore. We're not going to kill them anymore. We're not going to remove them anymore. We're going to instantly summon fence. In order to protect the animal, we're not held them captive. We're going to protect them. Okay, so we're going to instantly summon fence. How do we use this feature? I'm going to show you what I mean first. Okay, so we simply put in fence. Oh, there you go. I can build. Yeah, instantly summon fence to enclose all the animals to protect them. Okay, one more time, let me show you the feature. And I summon fence. Instantaneous. Let me show you on how we can do that. Okay, let's click on home, start a new project. You want to start a new project now? Click on home. Okay, yes, we can play around later. For now, let's learn about coding first. This is a very interesting code that I would like to introduce to you because not just building fence, you can use it to instantly build houses. or TNT, something like that. Let's start a new project. We call this project fence, F-E-N-C-E, fence. Okay, then type in fence, let's click on create, start a new project. This time, I want you to change the on-check command run. Instead of putting it run, let's put in the word fence. So we can remember that on-check command fence is to build a row of blocks of fence. Okay, next we want to go to blocks over here. Select blocks over here under the green tab. I want you to use something called fill with. It's a number, yeah, choose this one over here under the block tab. Select the fill with and place it in the on-check command fence. We're going to select the fence that we're going to fill it up. Instead of using the grass block, we're going to search for fence. Okay, I believe everyone have selected fence. Very good. We're going to choose how wide of a fence you're looking for. So example, if I'm going to build a fence that is 10 blocks wide, if I'm going to summon a fence that is 10 blocks wide, I need to select it to be like this. 5 blocks to the right, and over here, 5 blocks to the left. You notice that I only select the X coordinates and the X coordinates, which means that I want to summon a fence that is 5 blocks to my right, 5 blocks to the left. That is how long of a fence I'm looking for. Now, next is to decide how tall you want your fence to be. Example, you want the fence to be from 0 height all the way to 4 blocks tall. So I can ignore the 1, 0. We'll put in 4 over here. This will select how tall you want the fence. Okay, the last one over here, where you want to summon your fence. I want to summon my fence is 1 block in front of me. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit with the coordinates. I hope this helps. Okay, next, once you're done, I want you to hit play. Select a place. Oh, I'm going to remove the rain. I don't really like rain. So again, how to remove rain? I type in /weather clear. Okay, now we are back to sunny, I hope. Yeah, we're back. Okay, so we type in fence in our on-check command. Summon 1 block of fence that is 10 blocks wide and 4 blocks high. Do you have that? Anyone have any problems, or you're unable to do the code? Do raise your hand or put it in the chat, so our lovely panelists will assist you. Okay, I believe everyone is able to do this. Now, in order to build a fence that surrounds the animal, it got to be a fence that is 4 sides. You can't just do only 1 side. So how do we do that? Let's put in more blocks over here. In order to save time, I want you to follow my instruction. Right click over this fill with, right click, and you get multiple options. One more time, I want you to right click. The options that I want you to select is duplicate. Duplicate is to basically copy 2 of the exact same code. Right click on the part over here duplicate. You have two of them now. I'm going to place it below. Okay, the next wall that we want to build is basically the fence for the left side. For the left side, we're going to change the number over here to be -5 because on the left side, it's all negative value. So one more time, we change the number over on the x-axis, both to -5, -5. Do not change the height. We don't need to touch the height. But we want to summon the fence that is 1 block in front of me all the way to 20 blocks in front of me. This will build a fence that is 20 blocks wide in the width. Okay, once you're done, I want you to hit on play. Okay, let's find another spot to summon our fence. Perhaps I will choose this spot over here. Ooh, I summon a fence. Oh, it's on the right side. Maybe I'm facing the other way. Right, so I've built the second layer of the fence. Let's go back to our code again. Again, I want you to duplicate. How do you duplicate? For those who have forgot, right click and type and select duplicate. Now put it below it. This time, I want to build on the other sides of the fence. On the other sides of the fence, we change the x-axis again. Now, the negative value over in the middle over here is to build the left side of the fence. The positive value over here, we're going to summon another fence on the other sides. Let's take a look again. You see, I only changed the feature from negative to positive 5, 5. Let's run the code one more time. Maybe this time I will summon it over here. Oh, sorry, so fence. Yeah. Okay, this gives out a three-sided fence. Now, let's issue everyone a small little challenge. The challenge is, I want you to close up the fence by simply building the last wall over at the end. So I've showed you to build the front, the left, and the right side of the fence. I want you to try building at the other end of the fence using the code. Give it a try. The hint is, let's take a look at our code. The hint is, I want you to take a look at the first block of code that features to make the fence that is in front of you. Instead of putting it in front of you one block, the hint is, I want to build the exact same 20 blocks in front of me. Now that's the hint already. Give it a try, shall we? I'll give you maybe 2 minutes to give it a try. Meanwhile, if anyone have any questions, I'm happy to answer. Yes, if you have any question, put it in the Zoom chat. I'll be happy to answer it. If not, for the rest of the students, I want you to give it a try to build a fence that is 20 blocks in front of me. That's the hint. Close up the fence. Okay, anyone would like to share their codes? I mean, sorry, not to share. Anyone would like to let me know in the chat below that they are able to complete the project, the challenge? Okay, we have one student is able to complete the challenge. I would love to see more students able to complete the challenge. Again, the hint is instead of building this block over here, says that I want to build a fence that is 1 block in front of me. The hint is I want to summon the same block of fence 20 blocks in front of me. Okay, let's take a look at the chat. We have more students completing. Well done, everyone. Well, if you're unable to complete, it's fine. Do not worry. I'm going to show you how it's done. So let's go on to our block of code above. Select it. Right click on the block of code to duplicate it. Yeah, you can place it right inside. It's fine, doesn't matter the sequence. Okay, this is for the last block of code. Please take a look. So this one, it says that I built a fence that is 5 blocks to the right, 5 blocks to the left, total 10 blocks, 4 blocks high, and 1 block in front of me. But change the code a little bit by simply putting, I want to summon the same fence 20 blocks in front of me, covering or closing the fence. Let's give it a try. Let's click play. Type in fence. Boom. An entire blocks of fence to protect the animal in that cool. Of course, we can change the code a little bit to suit your need. So again, I'll show you the code. If you feel like you do not want to use fence, you want to feature something else. Example, you want to keep fishes. You can change this to all glass block. Okay, simply change this to all glass block. Yes, I want to create an aquarium to put fishes inside. That's the reason why I've selected the glass block. So instead of fence, because fence, you can't store water to have an aquarium. So I've used as glass blocks to represent it, to replace it. So over on the left, we have a fence. Over on the right, use the same code over here. Just summon a wall of glass. And the reason why we have chosen glass is because we can place water in it. Let's give it a try. Let's fill it up with water. Yes. So an example, if you want to build a zoo or you want to build an aquarium, won't this code help you so quickly to build those enclosure for the animals? Okay, let's put in some water in. More first. Yeah. I can fill it up, but it'll take some time. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna create just enough water to hold one of my favorite. I'm gonna use code to do that. Yes, I'm going to use the onCheck command, run, to summon one of my favorite animals in Minecraft, which is turtles. So onCheck command, run, go to mobs, select spawn animals. I'm gonna select some turtles. Where are turtles? Turtles. Did I miss it? Over here, sea turtles. Then I'll use the loop over here to select how many turtles I want to summon. I want to have 10 turtles. So in the onCheck command, we run this. And we have some turtles in our little aquarium. Isn't that cute? Come, let's build us a little aquarium. Now, this is a time, if you have any question, do raise your hand or put it inside the Zoom chat to ask for some questions. I think just now I saw a question whereby they asked something called the agent. Someone asked about agent. Yes, this guy over here. Well, oh yes. What would you like me to explain again? Okay, so when you press C, automatically you see this little guy called an agent. An agent is basically your robot butler that you can program it to do what you want. You can make it to build houses, you can make it to move left or right, or simply making it dance. Now, who will want to see little agent over here dance for us? Anyone? Yay! All right. So this little butler, agent butler, will dance for us. How do we do that? We're going to use the code to do that. Okay. Let's press C on our keyboard. Let's press C on our keyboard. I want you to select the home button over here. Select the home button. Let's start a new project, shall we? This project will be featuring the robot dance. We're going to call this agent dance. Let's call this project agent dance. Let's click on create. So we want to make the agent dance upon command. When I type in dance, the robot butler, the agent, will dance for us. So how do we do that? We have to select the agent tab. Under the agent tab, the orange one, click on it. Okay, under the agent tab, I want you to select agent move forward by 1. I want you to place it in the on check command. So you can make it move forward by 1 step. You can make it move back, make it move left, make it move right, make it move up and down. So let's start off with making it move left and right, like you're dancing left and right. So how do we do that? Duplicate it and change this to right. This will allow the agent to move 1 step, or we can move 1 block to the left and have the agent move 1 block to the right. So by using the loops over here, place it within the repeat loop for it to move left, right, maybe 10 times. Let's give it a try, shall we? On check command, dance to move left, right, repeat it 10 times. So let's take a look. Okay, let's have the weather clear again. I don't know, for some reason, my Minecraft will love the rain. All right, now with a clear weather, let's make it dance. Isn't that cute? One more time, dance for me. Oh, for some of you can't find your agent. Do not worry, I got a code for you. How do we find your agent? If you're very far away and your agent you can't locate your agent, it's fine. I want you to go to the on check command again under the players tab. Bring it out. On check command. Instead of putting it jump, we're going to have the on check command TP. Again, TP is not toilet paper, it's teleport. We want the agent to teleport on command TP. Okay, so when you type in TP, the agent under the first block over here will teleport to player. So those who are unable to find it, your agent, for example, I'm going to fly very far away, maybe around my aquarium over here, and I want it to teleport to player. Player is me. I press TP, boom, agent teleport to player. And again, I want to make it dance. Simply type in dance in the on check command. There you go. We can make more complex movement for the agent. For example, we want it to maybe, we want it to repeat everything 10 times again. But this time, instead of moving left and right, we want it to jump. In order for the agent to jump, we're going to make it move up and move down. If you only put up, the agent is going to fly upwards, and upwards. But if you put agent move up by 1, it moves up by 1 block, it moves down by 1 block. It kind of gives the feature of jumping. If you do not believe me, let's give it a try. So on check command, dance. Left, right for 10 times. And now it's up, down, up, down, up, down. So excited to see the agent dance. Now, your task is to make the agent dance more. How do we put that? Put in more complex movement. Make it move up 2 brain, make it move back 2 times, make it move left, make it move right, make it move front, make it move back, make it move up, make it move down. And we can even do the agent turn. So the agent can do the hokey pokey, make it spin. I want to see the agent spin. I would love to see that. So if you make it agent turn left 4 times, it will spin 1 time. Because it turned left facing you, it turned left 1 more time, it faced the right, so it faced the left, and turn left again, it faced to the back, it turned left again to face to the right, and it turned left again to face to the front. So if you want it to spin 1 round, you got to put repeat 4 times. But if you want to make it spin 10 times, you got to put 40. Let's give it a try, shall we? Let's do the dance. Up, down, and lastly, I want it to spin. Isn't that cute? I love this code. I make the agent dance for me. Come, give it a try. I want you to play around with the code to make a more complex dance movement for the agent. Yes, it's very funny. I really love this code. Oh, I have a question. Yes, this webinar is until 4:30. Okay, I really want to see how complex you can make our little agent dance. Of course, you can put in a series of different number. Make it spin to the left, make it spin to the right. Or make it move up 2 blocks, make it move down 2 blocks. Or make it move to the left by 3 blocks, make it move to the right by 3 blocks. Something like that. Let's try it out. It's kind of cute. It's moving so quickly. Now let's move up and down, up and down. And lastly, we do the hokey pokey. Then spin to the left. And spin to the right. Ain't that cute, everyone? Who loves this, man? I really love this code. It's very cute. And this is codes that you are unable to find in the Minecraft normal edition. This is why the education edition have more features. Yeah, we have this agent over here that you don't get to see in the normal edition, the Java or something. We even have the camera where we can use it to take pictures. So you can just place it over here, right click, and it will take a photo after 5 seconds. Yeah, that's me. Or you can just take anywhere if you find this, unlike this camera features too, you can right click. Like I want to take a photo of you, Mr. Agent. Oh wow, lightning. I really don't like lightning. Okay, if I want to take a photo of the agent, I can right click. Or not right click the agent. Or simply place it on the floor. Right click on it. 3, 2, 1, smile. And where do you find your pictures? You can add it in the portfolio over here. So under portfolio is where the pictures are stored. You don't get to see that in the normal Minecraft edition. So let's take a look at the pictures we took. Right click to see the pictures. There you see, I'm a police today. And we have the agent over here. Yeah, very unique feature we can use. If you have very interesting builds, of course, we can always take a picture and then even upload it online if you really love it. Hey, this is not just the only pictures. We can take a few pictures. Yeah, all these pictures are stored inside the portfolio. And take a look at it if you really love it. You can even export the picture. You can export the pictures out. So far, do we have any questions on the Minecraft Education Edition? Glad you're enjoying the sessions. Okay. Let's take a look what we have done so far. Let's do a recap of what we have learned so far. So the first code that we did today is this one over here to create the golden road or the red carpet road. Oh, how do you snap the picture? You have to select the camera, the item for camera. You hold on to the camera, simply right click to snap a picture. Right click to snap a picture. And if you want to do a selfie, place the camera, right click on the floor. Place the camera, right click on the floor. And then you have to press the right click on the camera to take a picture. There you go. Okay. Sorry, let's continue our recap on what you have learned today again. The golden road is the one that we use on player walk. We place the block below us. And we did the raining chicken project, if you remember. And then we even created blocks of fence featuring just like that. Or we can turn it around and change it to a fence of glass blocks to make it an aquarium. And last but not least, what did we learn today? The most fun of all, the little agent. Yes, we have controlled the agent to make it dance left, right, up, down, forward, backwards, and even spin in that cute. So I hope you find this fun today. For the Empire Code, we have different classes. So if you like to learn more, of course, you can join us, our online classes, to continue classes for Minecraft. But besides that, I'm going to show you a few other programs that we have in Empire Code. Check it out. I'm going to share this on the screen. Sharing it. Yes, I'm sharing it. All right, so you can check out this website over here. I'll place it in the description, or I'll place it in the Zoom chat for everyone. You can check it out. So what do we teach here in Empire Code? We teach scratch coding, very similar to Minecraft. We teach Minecraft level 1 and level 2. What you've seen over here is our Minecraft level 1 for beginners. We'll do more advanced stuff if you're really interested to join us. And we also teach Roblox Studio. We have Roblox classes for level 1 all the way to level 4. We'll teach you how to build games on Roblox for those who avid Roblox player. Like me, I love playing Roblox game. I would like to create my own Roblox game. Like for example, we'll build Impossible Obby to make it so difficult for the user to see them cry. That is one of the projects that we do in my Empire Code. We teach Scratch with math. That is a little math topics that we have using Scratch. We also do mobile app development on Tankable. If you would like to build your own mobile app, for those who have your phone, like to build your own mobile games, you want to build your own app, we have that over in Empire Code. Like I said, the Roblox, we have all the way to Roblox level 4. And we also teach you to build website design. HTML5, CSS, web development is basically to build your own website. If you have a website you want to create to be featured about yourself, or you want to create a blog about yourself, this is the best course to join. If you want to do something more for big boys, big girls, we can learn about Python, we can learn about JavaScript, and even learn Blender. Yes, we do teach C++ and C#, but if you're really interested, do give us a text or email us. You can find more information on our website. Again, let me share with you our website. Check it out. You can learn more about coding with us. Okay, I'll leave the last few minutes for everyone. If you have any question, do put it in the Zoom chat below. I'll be happy to answer any questions. If you want to talk about Minecraft or talk about Roblox, huge Roblox fan, we can talk about it too. One of my favorite games on Roblox is to play obbies. I like to play my own obbies. I like to play other games such as Bed Wars. I like to play Adopt Me. I like to build my own pet. So cute to see them on Roblox. And for Minecraft, I really enjoy building.